Okay, so a lot of people don't know about this app called Shortcuts. It's an Apple produced app or developed app, and it's called Shortcuts because you can make shortcuts to perform certain actions like open up an email and send it to a specific person or whatnot. And I want to make this tutorial for people, specifically of color, when they're getting pulled over. You can use this voice command. It'll open up your camera and it will record what's going on. So I'm going to show you. I already have it made, but I'm going to show you. You're going to hit create shortcut, or you're going to download it first. It's just called Shortcuts. And you're going to hit create shortcut. You're going to hit the search bar and type in video because it's not going to show you automatically. So it says take video. Tap on that. You can have it so it's on front camera. Most people keep their phone propped up in their car, so front camera will make more sense. And high quality would be better. And there's this bar under the done button. You're gonna tap on that. That's your settings. You're gonna label that pulled over or something like that. Just for this tutorial, I'm just gonna put I'm getting pulled over. Okay, what's gonna say? I'm getting pulled. Okay, so you can create your icon or whatever with whatever thing. I just put the emergency button, and it says add to Siri. You're gonna go. And that comes up. You're gonna hit done, done, and done. It's gonna bring it up. I'm gonna use my original one, so you're gonna go to whatever, use Siri. The shortcut, and it's going to open the camera. So that is how you use that. I want all my people to stay safe. Love you guys.